Alright guys, here's our backtesting video. I know you guys been asking for it. So we just finally got our charts set up. Finally, one of the members gave it to us. So we had to test out something. We're gonna start something really nice and light. Price action is low-key dog. I did a little analysis, but yeah. So right now I'm bullish. We just swept this daily low right here to this gap, clear sign, and then we just inverse this 1 hour. This looks like a smart money reversal. All right, we are in our next distribution phase, so I'm expecting us to head higher, but you know, we'll see what happens. So let's go like this. See what 930 does. Yep, 930 just distributes. Here we go to this high. This high. No entry, no entry, no entry. 15-minute close to bullish. Now we're just looking for a high key, just looking for a range to the upside, to be honest with you. Here's the ES or the SMT at these lows would be perfect. Right here. 2 minute. Alright, if we get this inverse, take it. 5 minute just close bullish, delivering from this 5 minute gap. With this inverse we could take. Here we go. There's the inverse. Right here. Stop loss is gonna be right here. TP is just gonna be this intermediate high. There we go. This order, like this. There's our break even right here at this swing high that we just made. We obviously had news. I didn't check for news, but boom, there's our TP. And then that'll be for the Friday. I guess I accidentally went too far. Alright, next day. What are we doing? The daily time frame. We're delivering from this. We just tap into this. We could get sent lower, but I would reckon that we go through this daily gap, because this daily inverse down was to take out this low. So now I'm thinking we go for this high, but I do recognize that we are at this right here. So 4 hour super bullish, tap there, delivering from this 1 hour, almost an SMT. We'll see. What is this? 915. That's really weird. Really not a good sign in price. 930, we come up. Definitely need to rebalance. Obviously on the 1 hour, we're looking really bullish. Alright. Here's our 1 hour. I want to open low, high close. Okay. Not the best price action. This is Monday. So I'm gonna need obviously some here's how we look. We're just going through this daily gap like I said we would. So we need some actual manipulation. What time is it? 59, maybe 11. Yeah, this is bad price action, bro. But I guess we need to like break out of this entire range. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, all right. Let's see. Not really. We would need this low to get. I mean, this value gap to get touched for us to take a trade. Actually. As you can see, this inverse didn't work. Why didn't this inverse work right here, guys? Why didn't this inverse? No tap into a PD array. We swept liquidity right here. No tap into a PD array. We're just not going to be tapping to a PD array in a second. Wait. See how this didn't play out? Now we finally tap into it. Let's see what we get. I think this 5 minute. If we get this inverse, we'll take. Okay. Put a 3 minute up there. So we'll leave something like this. This inverse is right here. We're just chopping. It's just bad price action. That's what it comes down to, unfortunately. Yeah. We're not gonna trade this. I wouldn't trade this, unfortunately. I wouldn't trade dog PA like that, but you know, to each their own. What is this, bro? Alright, we're close, relatively bullish. You know, so I'm still bullish. Obviously we're delivering from a low, but we're in this daily gap. That's why we're chopping. And this 4 hour chop is just not it. I would like to see it rebalance down to here, but we might not get it. Reason why we might not get it, we have an SPT at this low, so we don't necessarily need it. Inverse this, we have this high, obvious high that we just tapped into, but we'll see. Let's see what price wants to do at 9:30, whether we want to dump lower or not. Alright, we decide to dump lower. Where are we going to? These lows. Alright, this low resistance lows. Okay. I would like to see us get a rebalance higher. Alright. Gotta see how this 15-minute closes. Is it at 9:43? Alright, nope. We respect this 15-minute gap, so. We get this 5-minute closure, I'll take. Alright, we're delivering from a 5-minute. This is really clean. I like this inverse right here. We're bullish. We're respecting this 15-minute gap. We swept out all these lows of the SMT, obviously. We're in macro. We came down, swept out this low, delivering from a 5-minute gap right here, and we can go break even relatively easy at this high. So we are going to place an order right here. Oops, fuck, I didn't mean to put my take profit right there. Take profit is supposed to be like, oh, we would have been break even anyways. That's fine. I mean, 1-to-1, I guess. Who cares? We'll break even right there, but you know, I guess we'll take it. It's exactly why you go break even at these highs, though. Come down, and maybe this next 15-minute wants to close bearish. Okay, we obviously want to close bearish there. I would have really liked a rebalance, not just a dump, but there's that gap again. That high key needed to be tapped into. We tapped the C of it. Now I can look for long, so I don't think we have an SMT, but no, I normally wouldn't take a 30-second, but I would have been break even at this high, so I wouldn't have taken that. I'll take something better. Okay, this is something better, in my opinion. Come to this daily VI. This 4-hour order block as well. 1 hour. So we close really bullish. I mean bearish on the 15-minute. Very risky, but we're still delivering from something, and we're still delivering from that VI. So definitely could go break even at this high for sure at the very least. And then full TP is going to be this no wick right here. I like it a lot. So, alright, here's our break even. Really, I'm supposed to enter right there, but let's see if we wanna. Nope, we wanna see right here. So annoying, bro. That just generates price action. It's not good apparently. So That's really disappointing. Really disappointing. We aren't gonna get good fucking price action. Alright, we're bearish, clearly. We just went through all these, right? Tap to this 1 hour gap. Looking to see lower prices. Maybe a little power 3. 930 opens up high. Checks out these highs, maybe. Do we like this, guys? We do not. We like this. No, we do not. Do we like this? Yes, we do. What I show in the right here? Accumulation. Right? And if we apply some context clues, bearish, right? So this is your manipulation. And now I'm expecting distribution. You know, if we are going to be bearish, or if you are going to have decent price action. What's the highest time frame? Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Closes. I'll take. Okay, perfect. Target down here to this low. Good RR. All right, let's take it. There we go. That's our break even. All right, least obvious power 3, guys. All right. There we go. That was a good trade. All right, let's go to next day. Wow, it's a dog. Clear power 3 again, though, right? I don't know how we're looking on the higher time frame, but oh, it looked like crap on the higher time frame. All right, well, we will play off of the lower time frame. Chop. All right, we already have a 5 minute inverse. Building from 5 minute down. Okay. We're in between two P arrays, so we'll see. Don't like this. Didn't really sweep out much. All right. Don't like any of this. Oh, this is. Alright, that's weird. Okay. That's weird. 8:30, okay. Why do I feel like I remember this from last year? We're just chopping, bro. Last year, January was so bad. I remember. So. Just gonna chop. We're gonna see what price does. We're just gonna see what price does. We're not gonna do anything. I like that. Chat, do we like this or not? 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. Okay. Alright, 3 minute. Nice. Okay. Alright, maybe we're delivering nicely off of something. Can we count this? I mean, this looks like a really good power 3. So this would have been our entry down here. That would have been our entry. Or stop loss would have been right here. Do a dog crap price action. TP would have been right here. So, hello. It's not coming down to our entry. Well. Yeah, instant freaking. That's just bad price action, bro. You just can't get enough of it. Alright, the price action is just not gonna be good. Clearly in January, bro. So cooked. bro. I might not trade January at all. I'm not gonna even lose the money I've made trading dog shit price action. You're just not gonna convince me, unfortunately. You're not gonna convince me to trade this bullshit. Now I'm assuming we're bearish to these lows, but we'll have. Yeah, I mean we're bearish. Let's see what we do here. All right. This looks exactly like that one day. I mean, if you're a fair value gap trader, take something like this. I mean, I don't trade for value gap, so I'm not gonna take it, but that's what I would do. Okay. Alright, we're still bearish. Not so sure about this little. Okay, we're respecting this 1 hour gap, but I'm just not liking any of this. You know? 59. Alright. Obviously, we're respecting bullish PDRAs, but we're bearish on the high time frame. So, what's that tell you? Bad price action, bro. We did leave failure swing, but we don't have any gaps here. And you have a 2-minute gap. No, I'm not in this dandy. This trade right here. For literally right here. Playing off the failure swing. We'll at least need to go for 1-to-1. Playing off this failure swing, delivering off this 1 hour, delivering off this 5-minute, 2-minute inverse. Take it. Alright, there we go. Obviously, I think I'll take another trade to the downside. To be honest with you. Just 1 minute. I like that a lot. See if there's like a 30-second. That right here. Our break even will be right here. Actually, 3 minutes. Is this 3 minute even close? What time is it? Is it 10:01? Yeah. All right. Perfect. Hello. Yeah, I selected it. Genius. It's right here. Place order. This is 3 minute look. Yeah. So break even. Should just flush through. Yeah. Didn't flush. You could retake this off this rejection block. With this speed and aggression, this should be straight. Break even is now down here. TP. We'll trail. We'll trail. Okay, guys, we're gonna trail. All right. I guess I didn't select it, guys. Am I not selecting this card? All right. All right. Break even. Okay. Okay. Can we get away with this? We do. We get away with it, chat. Uh-oh. Okay. We're lit. We're lit. All right. All right. All right. All right. I'm not saying I'm going to be unprofitable in January, but I'll tell you what, I'm not going to have a fun time. I'll tell you that for sure. So what is this, guys? What is this? Alright. Alright, I mean, this daily rejection block, we got a daily, we're going to this gap right here. So, are we going to respect higher or lower prices? CPI sent us higher. This is CPI, right? We're going to respect CPI. Or we come down lower. What do we do? Chat, do we fuck with this? It's just hella early, but fuck, bro. What is this close, bro? I'm not taking that shit. See, we didn't get. I mean, we would have TP'd right there, so I guess. But it wouldn't have been good RR. Alright, I don't like anything right now. Okay. Maybe if we come back higher, I'll look to take something. 2 minute right here. I might just go for the low actually. No. It's 15-minute close bearish. So we're not gonna take this. But we might, you know, this looks like a good pattern trade though. Take it to that. Alright, Alright, look, it actually played out. That's just price action for you, man. We close bearish in the 1 hour, close bearish in the 15-minute, and we have data lows right here. And a pattern trade actually ends up playing out. So, tell me, is this one's gonna play out? Right here, rejection block, maybe CRT real quick. Alright. My bad, guys. Accidentally stopped recording. That's on me. Alright, back to what I was doing now. Okay. Little short entry right here. 1 hour. Tap into this rejection block. Still respecting this 1 hour. Alright. So to me, we have some break even. Could be right down here. TP back to data low. Because we clearly want to miss it. See if this works out, guys. Alright, that's our break even. We're already at a 1-to-1. Alright, this is where I'll start the trail. Get down to at least our 1-to-1. Secure winning trade. Trail again. Nice. Very secure, at least a 1-to-2. Alright, trail aggressively right here at that low. Trail at this high. Alright, boom. See how we trailed? This is the 830 low. We didn't come down to right here. That's just what we do, chat. That's what we do, chat. That's what we do, chat. Look at us, we're at 4K in the account balance, chat. What can I say? What can I say, bro? Do this for a living, chat. Alright. Oh my god, bro. What is this, bro? Chalk the tourney, bro. Alright. I'm guessing we're bullish, right, guys? At least I hope so. To these low resistance lows right here? Is that the move, y'all boys? Because we're not coming all the way down here, are we? Okay. This doesn't really look good. Okay. Maybe something like this will look good. That looks good. The RR doesn't look good, but with this PA, bro, you gotta get what you get and don't throw a fit, bro. I mean, I guess we can do this 30-second right here. Alright, and then break even, obviously. It's gonna be right here. Hello? Oh, that's our break even, guys. You think we hit TP? Think we hit TP, chat? We do! Let's go! Let's go. Okay, alright. That's done for today. Alright, 4 hour. Alright. All right, January is not that. Hey, I take everything I said back about January. Delivering off this 1 hour. All right, clear as day. All right, give us a nice little rebalance to the downside at 9:30. Nice. Ooh, thanks. Not so sure about saying nice anymore. All right, we get this. Chat, what are we thinking? I have an SMT at these lows though. Does not look bad. We get a nice little. See, I need you to close. What is this closure, bro? All right, let's take the 5 minute now. See, that's why we take. That's why we wait. That's why we wait. All right, I'm starting to think that we may or may not be. This looks good. This is like a nice 10. All right, here's a 3 minute. All right, when does 3 minute close? All right, this looks good, guys. This looks good. Okay, we got an SMT at these lows. Somehow SMT, yeah, somehow ES came down. SMT at this lows, 3 minute. Wait for 3 minute to close. All right, there's a 3 minute closure. Perfect. Take this to right here. All right. Hello. Yo, am I tripping, bro? Like I see, like I'm pressing it. I promise you, I'm placed. All right. Oh, the 3 minute didn't close, guys. Crap. Yo, holy bamboozle, bro. Wait, I thought 9:53 was. No, that was the start of the 3 minute, wasn't it? In real time, though, I mean, obviously in real time, I'm gonna see the 3 minute closer, but like, bro, I'm not like a mathematician, bro. I'm not dividing 9:52 by 3 and seeing if it's the next 3 minute closure, bro. I'm not doing that. So, we're not gonna count that. We're not gonna count that at all. We're gonna count this though. All right, cool little. No more SMT, but who cares, bro? Tourist Super is 4 hour gap, bro. You're tripping, fam. You know I'm taking this, fam. All right, I know this is. See, they try to get me a second time, twin. You're not gonna give me a second time. You're not gonna give me a second time. I'll tell you that for a fact. All right. Hello. Is that our break even? This low key is our break even. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not even gonna play with y'all. It's a break even right there. Yeah. Told you. We would have been crapped. All right, we're gonna end it there. No, we'll do it one more day, real quick. Just real quick, just because it was Thursday, we're gonna end it off on a Friday, real quick. All right, we're clearly bullish. Oh, we already have an SMT at the high though. But the order flow is giving off bullish, so maybe get a nice little dump, 9:30 dump. See how the 15 minute wants to close. All right, 15 minute close, just like this. We still respect this 15 minute gap. We wanted to, and we're delivering off of that. All right, we just have way too much way too much bullishness to just like pretend like we're not bullish. All right, we have this 3 minute. I feel like there's got to be another P. Yeah, it's only the 3 minute. See if this wants to close. All right, we'll take this. Easy does it. Break even. We're only gonna do a discretional break even. If we close above, highly above this, have a break even. But this is our for sure break even. We'll have our TP. Like right here. Oh, we'll trail. Uh-oh. Alright. That's our break even. Okay. I said we're gonna trail. We're gonna get greedy. What can I say, guys? January doesn't want to serve us right. It's gonna be some bad days in January. All right, that's gonna be it for the backtesting session. Hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, we had a bunch of break evens for good reason. As you guys know, that every single time we got break even, this happened right after. So, you know, and you'll know how to go break even if you watch my break even video. So I like to say this is a pretty good video right here. I mean,